You guys, you guys are talking awfully menacingly about the upcoming cutscene. Huh?
Tell me.
Both shagging they hug. Oh, oh, oh! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Legacy, aren't they?
You what? Huh?
Your real target is the philosopher's legacy.
The what?
Isn't it?
Oh. Oh my god! 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 Oh my Bobby!
It's no use. He's not going to talk. He's been trained not to break. Trained by me.
Oh.
Admit it. We're after the location of the legacy. The secret fund established by the three great powers during the 2 world wars. That's what you're looking for, isn't it? $100 billion, divided up and hidden all over the world. And you're looking for a record where all that money is hidden, right?
Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Wait, no, the boss looks so sad.
Philosopher's legacy is safely in my possession, in the underground vault of Groznygrad.
Why are you telling me all this?
You'll never live.
Yeah, baby! Ooh.
It pains me to do this, boss, but under the circumstances, I'm afraid I must ask you to show me some proof that you and he were not in collusion.
You don't trust me, is that it?
Not that.
He's so scared.
Is your apprentice.
What do you want me to do?
Let's see. Cut out his eyes.
Oh my god, he's so scared!
I don't
You're
like
right.
those blue eyes of his. There's nothing more important to a soldier than his eyes. You made him a soldier, and now you will unmake him. Yes, it'll make for a touching display. He's all yours. Do it! Ruin him, just as he did the Cobras.
He won't. He won't, right? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
What is it, Tanya?
He's suffered enough.
Well, well. Why are you protecting him? That smell.
That's a lot.
Tatiana, you're the spy.
What are you talking about?
I know that smell.
What the fuck, man? What the fuck?
Stop it!
Taking a fancy tour. Hey, Ocelot.
What the fuck?
No. I have no interest in this woman. I want to test her.
Ocelot, what the fuck?
I'll let this be the judge.
Do as you
Oh my
like.
god. No, I'm glad it didn't go where I thought it would. What the f- The fucking tonal whiplash, holy shit. Huh? Oh!
You got lucky this time, Tatiana.
I wonder why she reacts to it so badly. Oh my god, he's aura farming. Mama. No. Oh.
Run.
Run. What I think, don't say whether I'm right or wrong. Well, don't say whether I'm right. Well, don't indicate an answer. Don't indicate an answer. I'm just talking about my theories. And I guess one thing is this is a game from like 2004, right? But one thing, like, I don't know, whenever I see the boss, I always want to cry because I don't know how to put it, but like, they conveyed the relationship between them so well. But look at Eric Volkov, I'm to stay, you know? Like they're so full of love for each other. I'm even crying talking about it. Yeah, it's so fucked up because like my Fujo side came out, right, with like the whole like Riona and stuff, but then then I like felt like horrible. Because like, you know, it's actually like you're actually emotionally invested because like you see the look on like the boss's face, like visibly, like even in 2004, like the little like slight changes in her expression when she has to, like, you know, deal with Snake. It's like she's trying, she's being so cold and stoic, but like maybe I'm just mentally ill, maybe I'm reading into things, but I feel like I can tell there is something. Yeah, no, I like, genuinely, I had to like stop Fujoshiing out, and like the more I looked at his model and how sad he looked, and it's heartbreaking. I'm crying. Chad, do you think I should add an eye patch asset? Oh no, I knew he'd lose the eye. I just didn't know how. No, okay. So the reason why I was crying, right? Was because I know he loses an eye, right? And I was going to cry because I thought he was actually going to rip his eye out. That's why I was crying, because I was if I'm crying just thinking about it. If the boss actually did rip out his eye, that would have destroyed me. I'm sorry for being such a crybaby. I just love this game so much. It's so peak. It was Ocelot that took it, yeah. I think that's why I love this game, though. That's why I love this game, because, like, sure, I can Fujo out to it, but at the same time, there's parts where, like, the game emotionally moves me so much where it's hard for me to Fujo out. And there's times where I also can Fujo. It's like that combination, you know? It's both. I can enjoy it on like a Fujo level and on a deeper level too, if that makes sense. That's like, you know? I don't know. I don't know why. Something about the boss and Snake just, it gets me really bad. I don't know why. It just does. Like it's conveyed so well just how close they are. Cause that's his mom. That's his mom. Yeah. The fact that her voice actress also voices Pearl in SpongeBob, that's actually really impressive. It doesn't ruin my day at all. I think that's actually really impressive. I hope there's a whole bunch of fan art of that. I know that David Hayter also voiced the main love interest in Fushigi Yugi, which is an old shoujo anime. Yeah. And like Volgin too. Volgin was fucking pissed. I wasn't expecting that. Like I expected to be pissed, but like he was really caught up on the fact that, you know, his kitten got like the JP voice is Akio Otsuka, right? That's fucking awesome. I know, it was his birthday recently. It's I don't know. It's interesting to think about because like there are two possibilities for that. He really cares very clearly about the fucking side character, which is interesting because we know that like from Ava that he is a very cruel lover. Like he left her fucking scars and shit. He's like, even calling him a lover is fucking insane, right? Like he is fucking evil, insane. So there's two possibilities, right? One, Ivan matches his freak, or two, Rykov genuinely loves him too. Really? Oh, okay. So that answers my question. And I think definitely to an extent, Volgin loves Rykov too, because I mean, there's no other reason he would be. I don't think there's any other reason he would be so heated about about the whole like Ivan thing. And he calls him Ivan. Holy shit. I don't know. This game, it's Kojimbo. Fucking Kojimbo. Kojimbo. Yeah. This game is fucking amazing. Whenever I think no, chat, I'm a Metal Gear girly. I know in my heart I am already a Metal Gear girly. I knew it as soon as I finished MGS2, and I think I surpassed a Metal Gear girly, like in the first MGS3 stream. Do you think Volgin got Rykov boy pregnant, and that's where Raiden came from? I think so. I think so too. Yeah. Raiden isn't related to Rykov. Fuck you!